What up, y'all boys? It's grade 345 right here, and I'm about to get ready to go to work. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little cold start real quick of the charge, and then we're gonna do a little POV drive. So now I'm finna get in the up and down. We just finna do a POV. Alright, y'all boys. So yeah, I'm gonna just be doing like POVs and shit on here, pranks and all, like, you know what I'm saying. And nothing too crazy, cause you know what I'm saying. I'm just getting started off. It's hot as fuck. I'm gonna go ahead and get out there. Go ahead and start right there. Let the window down for y'all boys too. I'm gonna stop by the gas station, put some gas in this bitch. Yeah, for sure. I might need to get a test mount or whatever the fuck, cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, that shit kind of crazy. Turning in the gas station. This is my favorite gas station. 359, god damn. 359 too. Alright, y'all boys, so I just put 10 in the tank. Nigga broke right now, but that's why we doing YouTube for, so we can get up, you know what I mean? So I just put 10 in the tank. It's a cool ass SI right here. I mean, our dog be doing all that crazy shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna go ahead and get out of here, cause we gotta be to work in a little bit. And then after that, we gonna do a POV drive, like nighttime, cause I get off at like 10 some shit. So yeah, I'm gonna do a POV fuck. And yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then yeah. What up, y'all boys? So yeah, I'm just cruising right now, you feel me? And the charger just put a little bit in the tank, not too much. I'ma go, it's like 4 right now, so traffic gonna be a little heavy on the highway. So I'ma just go ahead and get in the turn lane, go down 7th Ave, you know what I mean? Woo. This bitch too crazy, I ain't gonna lie. I can't wait to get the tune on this bitch, y'all boys, cause I'm on the bass tune right now, but you know what I'm saying, just to get it running, get it, you know what I'm saying, driving correctly and shit, make sure everything okay. I did have a few problems. What the fuck? Man, these crackhead crazy, dog. But yeah, I'm on the bass tune right now. I was just getting it running correctly and shit. So, nah, I'm good. But yeah, nigga was trying to give me flowers and shit. Respect the hustle. But yeah, I was just, you know what I'm saying, can't be going too crazy until I get that tune on there. But this bitch crazy, bro. Please get your ass out the way. And you got to make me miss my life. You gonna piss me off. Don't piss me off. One thing about this car is loud as shit, y'all boys. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to get on the gas too crazy. And plus, I'm right next to a police station. Like, right up. You know what I'm talking about? Well, that's the lot, man. The police station. But yeah, we just gonna be doing POVs and shit like that throughout this channel. A lot of those, a lot of car meets. You know what I'm saying? My bad if my eyes ain't directly on y'all. I'm trying to drive and do this shit at the same time. I really need like a mount to stick on like the windshield or whatever, you feel me? But it's Camry on my ass, I ain't gonna lie. See his ass? Bitch tryna, bitch, where you going? Where you going? You know what I'm saying? Where you going at? My little nigga, but to the light. That's the thing about these niggas, they be speeding but they ain't going nowhere to the light, you feel me? That shit be crazy, dog. But yeah, I hope y'all boys enjoy this video. This is really like my first vlog and shit, you feel me? I'm definitely gonna get better at, like, you know what I'm saying, eye contact with the camera, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but well, it ain't gonna be nothing too crazy. I ain't gonna be doing no takeover shit like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't support that shit, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We trying to keep the car scene alive, not kill it. You feel what I'm talking about? Yeah. But yeah, bro. Oh, Camaro. That might be a RS. What up, y'all boys? Just got off our work and shit. You know what I'm saying? About to go to the gas station, get some flicks real quick. And I'll be posting on IG if y'all boys want to look at the flicks and shit. I'll leave you real quick. Ooh, shit. I'm trying to get like the right posture and shit for the videos and shit. I don't know if y'all niggas can even see me for real. I'ma keep it a beam. I might have to put like the light on or whatever the fuck. Y'all niggas probably can't even see, but shit. I'ma get at y'all boys when I'm at the G station. Too fast.